Hello! Today we will learn where to find the artificial intelligence courses on our platform. On the main page, click on the Virtual Campus section. Then, go to the Artificial Intelligence area. Here, you will find direct access to tools such as Gemini and Notebook LM, as well as the 2 available courses designed to strengthen your AI knowledge. To enter any of them, simply click on Access, and you will be able to start the course immediately. Once you have entered the course, you can track your progress through the Courses section in Blackboard. Remember that these courses do not have a time limit, so you can complete them at your own pace and in a completely autonomous way.